how you doing, man?
I'm good, thank you.
This guy looks like he's got some good jokes.
Okay, I'm gonna do jokes. My name is Adi. What do you call a Mexican that lost his car?
Homeless?
Carlos.
Oh, okay.
All right. How did you giggle?
Wait, is that a laugh?
Wait,
I don't even know if I've ever made that sound in my life.
That's how he laughed.
I guess no, I'm laughing.
what's up to me?
He's laughing.
What the?
I don't know. It just kind of came out.
Okay, all right, let me do another.
Well, it's done. You won.
Sorry, that just like slipped out. I don't even know what that was.
What the?
I don't know what that was. I think he said Carlos, and then I thought about it for 2 seconds and just instinctually went. Whoop.
All right, next person, man.